Hello friends, welcome again to the world of maths by Amiya. This time we are going to discuss solutions of must solve 10 question of geometry 86 to 95. This was held on 22nd September as a छोटू test. Okay, so question number 86 in front of you. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं किए हैं पहले तो I'd say हर एक क्वेश्चन पे पॉज कीजिए और सॉल्व कीजिए. This is question number 86. In this, we need to find the total number of integral sided triangle whose the largest side is 30. 30 is the even number which is in the 2n form where n is nothing but 15. So if you have the largest side as a 2n given, so the answer of this question is quite easy. That is 15 into 16 is nothing but 240 is the answer. To know the concept in details, you can easily check. If you have the largest side is 3, this one is odd, and check the larger side 4, this one is even, this one is 2n minus 1 case, so this should be 1 plus 2 plus 1. If you have odd, अगर आपके पास odd होता है तो number of triangles formation by the Alcuin series is 1 to 1 चलता है. अगर आपके पास even होता है तो ये 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 चलता है. And ये होता कैसे है, we have discussed in the one of the closed session or the open session, मुझे याद नहीं, but we have discussed. मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ. अगर आपकी लार्जेस्ट साइड 5 है तो ये चलेगा 1 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 2 1. अगर आपकी लार्जेस्ट साइड 6 है तो ये चलेगा 1 2 3 3 2 1. एड ऑल एंड गेट द आंसर. यहाँ पे आप सारे को ऐड करो एंड गेट द आंसर. एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्वाइट सिंपल. आप इसे डिस्कस कर सकते हो, खुद से ट्राई करने की कोशिश करना. अगर नहीं होता है तो आई लेट यू नो. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज 240. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87. Now, the solution of 87 is quite easy. Since you have two sides given, that is nothing but 1 by 2 into a into b into sine theta should be the area. And area is largest when the sine theta is nothing but 90 degree. So we can say we have the 6, 8 cut triangle with a right angle triangle. So you must know largest possible area for the given two sides is a right angle triangle. ये तभी होता है. And we have to find the radius of a circle which is inscribing. इसके अंदर का जो radius निकालना है. And radius is nothing but the area by semi perimeter, or for the right angle triangle 6 plus 8 minus 10 by 2, that is nothing but 2. So answer of this question is 2 unit or 2 centimeter. मैं again fast हूँ तो आपको fast होना होगा because these are the test. Okay, let's solve question number 88. Again an easy question. I'm not going to give you the concept but one formula. This angle by this figure is the one of the most asked question. This one is nothing but 90 minus 12 plus 16 divided by 2 is nothing but 76 degree. You must know if this one is theta, this one is the alpha. This angle is nothing but 90 minus theta plus alpha by 2. You have 76 degree, 12 degree, total is nothing but 88 degree. So we have to find this angle in the triangle BCF. 180 minus 88 is nothing but 92 degree is the answer of this question. And this is quite easy. If you want to know how I am getting this concept as a 90 minus theta plus alpha, please do your homework and try to get this formula or the concept. Okay. Now solve question number 89. So this one is the one of the easiest question. We just need to find which star we are talking about. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So we are talking about 13 vertices star, and one in the clockwise direction is going to touch nothing but the 6. So it's 13 by 5 star. How comes we can say the 5? 6 minus 1 is the 5. So this star is termed as 13 by 5, and the total number of internal angle of this is nothing but 2 into 5 13 into 180 degree. That is nothing but 540 degree is the answer. We have discussed a lot of concept on the star. The formula is 2 minus n minus 2g into 180 degree. So answer of this question is 540 degree. Now check the question number 90. We have discussed a lot of concept on the regions. We know we have 12 lines in which the 5 are the parallel, 5 parallel lines. And we have 7 non-parallel lines. So non-parallel lines give sigma n plus 1. So we have 7 into 8 divided by 2 plus 1 is the 29 regions. And by this we'll get 8 into 5. That means nothing but 40 region extra. So the total number of regions are nothing but 69, and 69 is the answer. Question number 91. one of the best question of this series. We need to find the largest possible cube inside a cone. If you visualize the figure, you have two circles. One circle is the base of the cone with the radius is the 7 unit. Another circle is the smaller circle. I am giving you a cross section from the top. This smaller section is nothing but the circle where the cone is touching the cube. So this is the topmost cross section. If you see the figure from the top, you will get this type of figure. If you see the figure from the front, you will get nothing but a rectangle in which the cone is making a circle on the surface and the cone is making also a smaller circle, bigger circle on the base. And you have nothing but something like a triangle. So you have radius, say this one is nothing but 7 unit, height is giving as a 14 unit. Say we need to find the side A. So if this one is A, I can say if the radius is 7, our height is nothing but 14. If this one is A, this one is A, this one is A, this one is A, this one is A root 2. So we can say when the radius is A by root 2, this is the root 2A, divided by 2 is the radius, what should be the height? So quite easy. For the 7 we have 14, for the 1 we have 2, for the A root 2 we have root 2A is the height. So this height is nothing but root 2A. So we can say this height is root 2A, this one is A. So A plus root 2A is nothing but 14 unit total height. So A is nothing but 14 upon root 2 plus 1, or A is nothing but 14 into root 2 minus 1. So this one is the side of the largest possible cube inside this cone. Okay, that is 14 root 2 minus 1. Now we need to solve the question number 92. In this, we know the radii are the 1 and 1. So we make a right angle triangle with the tangent. We make a right angle triangle with the tangent. Since all figures are squares, means all figures means these figures are these squares. So if we join, and square means the similar figure, if we join the radii to the diagonal, we'll get nothing but the diameter. Our diameter must be this line only. So this line which are going to be thicker is nothing but also the diameter. And say this one is figure is not as per scale. So this one is also the tangential point. This one is also the tangential point. We know the radius is 1. This one is 1. So we can say this one is root 2. We have this one is 2. So we can say this one is 2 root 2. So the total diameter is nothing but 1 plus 2 is the 3. Plus root 2 plus 2 root 2 is 3 root 2. This one is the diameter. We need to find the radius. So this one is 3 into root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is the radius of this bigger circle. And this one is complete a similarity figure. I'm not giving you the concept right now because this is a test. So test को test की तरह discuss करते हैं. It's your work or homework to find the concept behind all the questions. Okay? And if you want me to discuss the concept, I'll discuss, but you have to work first. Question number 93 is quite easy. You need to find angle BEA. So simply the BEA, assume this one is theta and draw AC is equal to BC is equal to this. So if we work on triangle ABE first, so this one is 30 degree, this one is theta. We know this one is nothing but to make 180 degree, 150 minus theta. And we know if we work on a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle B. So this complete should be 150 minus theta. So we can say this one is 120 minus theta. Perfectly fine. Now work in triangle CDE. We can easily say this angle must be theta. And this should be nothing but 145 minus theta. If this one is 145 minus theta, this complete C is 145 minus theta. This one is 35 degrees. So if we work in triangle BCE, this theta is the summation of these two, that is the exterior angle. So we can say theta is equal to 120 minus theta plus 110 minus theta. So this complete minus 2 theta comes here. 3 theta is nothing but 230 degree. So theta is 230 by 3 and this one is our answer. You can solve with the other constructions too. But whenever you have isosceles triangle, but first think isosceles as isosceles and try to solve. Okay. So now next question, question number 94. This is my favorite question. In radius 4, sides are consecutive integers. The side must be nothing but 13, 14, 15. Okay. This is one of my favorite questions, and you must remember the properties of 13, 14, 15 as a side of a triangle. Now, so we know this is 13, 14, 15, or you can solve it by the Heron's formula, that is the inradius is equal to delta upon s, and assume the sides are x, x minus 1 and x plus 1, where the inradius is 4. You can find the semi-perimeter from these two sides. You can find the area by the Heron's formula and get the value of x as a 14. Anyway, we need to find the area by the Heron's formula or anything. The area of this triangle is nothing but 84 unit. But must remember 13, 14, 15 properties. You have to remember all these things. And again, I am not discussing the concept behind the questions. You have to find the concept. It's your homework. Okay. We need to find the area of the square. Okay. So let's solve this question. We know if we have a circle centers, okay, with the GH is 16 unit. So our GH is nothing but 16 unit. Whenever you have a chord, just we make a perpendicular line. So we can say this one is x. So upper half is 8, lower half is 8. And we have the radius is nothing but 10. So this one is 10, this one is 10, and this one is 8. So we can easily say this one is 6 unit. Assume, first of all, assume the complete length is nothing but 2x. Why so? Because if we are making a perpendicular, we can definitely say it will divide in two half, x and x. So this one is x and x, and this 6. So we can say that this length is 2x minus 6. How comes? Because it's a square, so both lengths should be 2x. So this one is 2x minus 6. So we have 2x minus 6 square plus x square is nothing but 10 square. And we have to solve the quadratic equation. This one is the x. We need to find the area is nothing but 4x square, and you have to do calculation and solve the value. No shortcut of this question. Okay, so this one is the method. Solve and get the answer. And in this video, I just give you the answers, not the deep concepts. So you have your homework. Try to find the concept behind all the questions which you are not able to solve. Discuss with your seniors. Discuss with your mentors. If you are not able to find the concepts, feel free to ping me either on WhatsApp or Telegram or on this YouTube video. Okay, with all best wishes, myself Amiya. God bless you, happy learning, and bye bye.
Hi guys, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out any update.